Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special remedy. Warm water. How to drink warm water every time, early in the morning, first thing in the morning, last thing in the night. So guys, warm water is very good in the body. So if you are taking warm water early morning, before you take anything, just take a cup of warm water. This is warm water. You take a cup of warm water. Everyone, it's not hot water, just warm water. If you do, you put your hand, make sure that it's warm, it's not hot. Then you drink it in the morning, every morning, every evening before you sleep, you drink it. It's very good in the body. It will make you feel very light. If your body is heavy, if your tummy is big, maybe if you eat something that is not digest, if you take warm water, you like it. If you like, you Google it, you see everything there. Warm water is very good. Take it first thing in the morning, 6 o'clock. If you wake up, even before you brush, just take a cup of warm water. If you like, you take it like 2. It's very good. It will digest all your system. You feel very light, you feel very good, and anything you do, you feel very light. And if your body is heavy, or your body is pain you, waist pain, all those things, if you are taking it every day, morning and night, you will not feel all those things in your body again, because warm water it do a lot of work in the body. It do a many work in the body. Can release you can digest your system, your waist pain, maybe half waist pain, body pain, and even headache. Sometimes if you take it, you feel very light. So warm water work like a magic in our body. So I advise you guys to take it every morning. I'm taking it every morning, so and the thing good for me, that is why I want to share it with you people, so that it's good. You'll be taking it every morning, you like it, you see what I'm telling you, you see everything in yourself. If you are taking it, wake up in the morning, even before you brush your teeth, you can take your warm water, 1 cup every morning. In the morning you take it, in the night after you don eat your meal, your dinner, everything, before you go to bed, take warm water, 1 cup before you sleep. If you wake up in the morning, you see how your body will be. You will like yourself, and you will not like to miss it again. You'll be taking it every time. Some take normal water, but I will advise you guys to take warm water. Warm water cure many sickness in the body. If you are taking it every time, all those stomach pain, you will not feel it again. All this waist pain, body pain, you will not feel it again. I promise you. If you are taking warm water every morning, every evening before you sleep, you will not feel all those things again. I promise you guys. Take it and see, you will testify. So this is what I'm taking it every time. Early morning before I brush, I take warm water. In the night before I sleep, I take warm water. That's what I take every time. Please, I advise you people to be taking it like that. You will like it and you will enjoy it. This is the warm water. I want to drink it. See, it's warm water. Yeah. I'm drinking it. Sometimes I will put it in the mouth. When I'm tasting, I will just drink all. So I've already drink 1 in the morning, but as I'm showing you guys, I have to drink it again, because it's very good. Anytime I eat food, I drink warm water. It's very good in the body. It cure many sickness. All this stomach pain, waist pain, body pain, headache, all those things will disappear forever. You will not see it again. It will not disturb you again. Warm water is very good in the body. Please try it. I love you guys. So anything that I do is good for me, I share with you guys because I love you guys. We meet again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.